So it's time to clean this out.
Why are you holding back your love? Babe, I'm about to crack. I can't take it anymore. Why can't you let me know where we at? 'Cause we don't got forever. Tell the truth, just spit it out. This feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go or let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in. So don't you get under my skin. Oh.
Okay, look how good this looks. So this is my refrigerator. Nice and clean and organized, ready for the new year. Decluttered a lot. Next move, you have to clean your trash can out. So I just rinsed it out. It's water down in there. I'm gonna wash it out with Pond Sol. Wipe the inside, the outside. You wanna wipe all of it down and leave your trash can completely clear of any odor, food, mold, whatever. So I'm gonna use some Pine Sol and some Clorox right here. Yeah. This is a lifesaver. Adding this into the refrigerator. Starlight is this brand, but I know Rubbermaid makes some as well. This is like a catch-all for like fruit cups, sticks of butter, all of the overflow that you don't want over here in this container. So this is usually what, you know, fruit cups and all that goes in here. And then another version of this, but a larger size. And sometimes if I have overflow of lunch meats and stuff, it'll go in this drawer as well. So it is so perfect. I like putting things in containers. So this is just all frozen fruits for like smoothies and all that stuff is in the freezer. And then this has like the steaks and stuff for like Phillies, and it's bratwurst and all that. So it just helps contain things. Here usually goes like when we have mushrooms and all that stuff that I just cleared out, that usually goes here.